I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gemini your assistant on iPhone. First, download the Google app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. Look for the Gemini icon, usually at the top of the screen. Tapping this icon will activate Gemini, allowing you to begin using its features immediately. This simple step connects you to a powerful AI assistant. After locating the Gemini icon, tap it to switch from traditional Google search to the Gemini experience. You might see a prompt asking you to confirm the switch. Accept this to proceed. Gemini is now active and ready to assist you. You can start by asking questions, setting reminders, or generating creative text. It's designed for natural language interaction, making it very user-friendly. To personalize your Gemini experience, navigate to the Settings menu within the Google app. Here, you can adjust various preferences, such as notification settings, to control how Gemini communicates with you. You can also manage your data and privacy options, ensuring your interactions are handled as you prefer. Taking a few moments to customize these settings will enhance your overall use of Gemini. To get the most out of Gemini, try using voice commands for quick and hands-free interactions. Gemini integrates seamlessly with other Google services, enhancing its utility across your digital life. Explore its capabilities for tasks like summarizing articles or brainstorming ideas. And for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.